This is the month of May 2025, but the weather does not show that. We can see that the rain is intermittent. It's not raining as expected. Because of the climate change around the world, the weather has so much changed. So we are having one rain almost in 1 month, 3 weeks. That is not good enough for the planted crops. So in my garden, my yam garden, I decided to do manual irrigation. That is why you see me carrying water like this. I want to apply water to the planted yam, which is an abnormal procedure. We are not expected to irrigate yam farm. It has to be natural irrigation. But now, I cannot afford to allow my yam to suffer. So I decided to carry out yam irrigation. For both the one planted directly in the soil and those in the sacks, as you can see over there. You see that the yam are growing, but the growth is not that fast because of lack of regular rain water supply. So for that, we decide to do irrigation. So here, for those that have not sprouted, I'm raising up the mulch. So I raise up the mulching and then apply water under them. Most of them are already sprouting, but for those that have not done so, I will be raising up the mulching and apply water under them. And still leave the mulching because of lack of rain. You see that these ones are sprouted. We have the tender yam stem. It's coming out here. This one has sprouted earlier and is climbing up together with the rest that were planted in the dry season. So we'll be doing this one gradually. The yam is climbing up, but the growth is so slow because of lack of water. So when we do this gradually every time, every day, then we expect better performance. And we see these ones in sacks. I'm applying water to them. Some of them have sprouted, some are still doing so. Have these ones here, sacks. You see them? Many of them are just sprouting. You can see them. So, but the growth is so slow because of lack of rain. Today's date is the 8th of May 2025. By now, the rain is supposed to be more regular, but we don't have it. So for that reason, we are doing this manual irrigation. I planted 2 yam sets in this particular sandbag because the sandbag is quite heavy, quite large. The 2 of them have sprouted, as you can see, one here and one here. Some of the roots coming outside, find a way of putting them inside again, covering them with soil. This one has sprouted, but very small. You can see it here. There is a sprout here, right here. I'm going to add the water. Still cover it with soil. You see that it has exposed now. I'm going to cover it back and still put the mulch on top. So my direct application of water has fully exposed the yam sets, though they are sprouted. So I'm going to cover it back with sand and the mulch now. So I'm using wet soil so that I can have the sand retained top of the yam. So wet soil is the only one. The wet soil can stay. Then I will put the mulch on top again. So apply the mulch like this again. So the mulching will prevent direct sunlight from touching that sprouting yam. Okay, so that is it. See the lineup of the sandbags, and each one has yam planted in. As you can see them along the fence. So we're trying to nurture them now because of the lack of rain so that they can perform well. Do not forget to like and share my video and make comments in your area. Is it raining? And if it's not, what are you doing at this time? Like and share the video. I see you in my next video. Bye bye.